Hey you guys, it's me, Blanchy. I put just a little bit of oil, you can see that. And then I'm going to plug this up. I was trying to remember. Okay, and then this has like a side temperature gauge thingy. I'm going to put it past warm. I'm going to past 200, past 250. I'll probably put it between 250 and 300, which would be 275 maybe, something like that. And then, whoa. Okay, you guys. So, I'm just in my shirt. Okay, so I got this from SAV-A-LOT. I'm trying to remember. They had it for $2.50, and it's pico de gallo. Well, anyways, there's looks like jalapeno, maybe bell pepper. I don't know, but there's chopped up onions, cilantro, tomatoes. And I don't eat this, but my husband loves this. So, I mean, I'll eat cilantro. I'll add a little bit of onion powder. I'm not too crazy about putting tomatoes in my food. But, here we go. Now, they have these pre-packaged meal type at SAV-A-LOT, and I love going to SAV-A-LOT. And this is $7.20. It used to be $5 something. They've gone up, but as you can see, my husband loves this type. Loves this, and me, I'm not too crazy about it. But that's my husband's. He prefers that, and he gets it. So, or I go get it and I cook it for him. And then the pan is getting hot right now, and I'm tug warring with this plastic. But they always have a lot of this meat at SAV-A-LOT. So go down to your SAV-A-LOT and get this. Don't go to mine. Stay out of my SAV-A-LOT. Let me get a... And thank you for my sister-in-law, Jules. I love these type of pans. I love them, love them, love them. Okay. So, now I'm going to stick all this in. Oops, that one fell out of the pan. Stick this in here. Separate it. I just dropped the bell pepper on the counter. Okay, so I'm going to put this in here. And as you can see, it's gonna brown it and cook those meat. But put this over here. Okay. And what I'm gonna do is just, there's a little hole right here, so you know that it won't be so, it won't go nuts. There's some breathing room. Breathing. A little breather. You can see it. But, yeah, that's what I'm left with. So, I am gonna put that there. And these are the corn tortillas. Now, my man likes the yellower the better. The darkest yellow, you know. So, hey, you like my nails? I got this nail polish at Rainbow. It's called Mirror Effect. I'll show you the bottle later. But what I'm going to do is, these are all the corn tortillas I have because I used them last time. So let's see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, I was going to double them. Last time I doubled them, but since I only got 6, well, I'm just going to use just that. But last time I did double it, so we're just going to keep it like that. And then, of course, I've got the cilantro, the pico de gallo. I don't know what you call it. So, and then to top that off, he loves to use this right here on top of the tacos. So we're going to kick this out. And I have bought this too, but this is for chips, most likely. I think that's what he eats this with. It says hot sauce, so I bought it. It was on sale. But we don't eat the same foods. So, yeah, we don't eat the same foods. So we're going to keep that here. And keep that on top of the flip. Put that over there. And with this, I'm going to turn it this way. That how that. So with this, I'm just gonna go back and forth on that with excuse me. So I'm gonna put this in here. Stick this in here. Yeah. I got another apron. I got it for, I think it was like 95 cents. I got it dirty, but I want to put some kind of glitter and stuff on it and put my name Blanchi on there somehow. It says Grill Master, because I still haven't sewn these yet. I just don't feel like doing it. But I was watching UGUE Brothers. This isn't Coke. This isn't Coke, it's sweet tea. So good. Let's see. And put it on this plate. It's a harder plate, ceramic or whatever you want to call it. Like it's pretty thick. And what I'm gonna do, let's see, this plastic wrap, wax paper. Where's my foil? I got foil paper over here on this side. Okay. Now I'm just gonna put this is just to keep his tacos hot, you know what I'm saying? Like when they're on here, they'll stay hot. So they won't get so cold quick, they'll stay hot for the meantime anyways, while he's eating them. And then he's got to have the spoon to dip it in, to dip it out of. Yeah. I cover the pan up so that way the meat can get soft, so it won't be so chewy. So covering the pan will make them soft, the meat soft. And then after a few minutes, I'm going to go ahead and darken the veggies that are in there. so they'll be kind of crispy, you know? Oh, I'm gonna stop this and then I'll continue, okay? Be right back.